Hello and welcome. So, how to make multiple listings on Etsy? Now, it's going to be really quick, so bear with me. So, first and foremost, the thing that you want to do is going to search the platform itself. Here you go. You're going to see a bunch of options here, a lot of Etsy web platforms, but go ahead and click this one right here. Just wait for it to load a little bit here. It does get a little bit laggy sometimes, so I'm going to now show you. Now that we are here on this platform, I'm going to now show you its uses and how to really create this. So go ahead and click this one, and then this is the listings. Is it a physical item or a digital item? Let's go with physical. Who made it? I'm going to be filling up all these info here. Okay, what is it? So a finished product or a supplier tool. We have also another company. Just go ahead and fill this up to your advantage. Scroll down a little bit here. Now that's how you do a listing. Okay, that's how simple and easy it is. Now you could do this multiple times, but let me just show you how to finesse this with the proper touch. Okay, so first and foremost, you could click okay and add a partner for listings. Like for example, if your partner would agree to like collaborate on some stuff, you could put their name here. But like for example, this is a legitimate business partner. Like a lot of outways for this brand right here. Yeah, so I'm just going to use this one right here. And production partner. About production partner, I'm just going to tell them a little bit of story. Okay, my partner holds multiple. It's about the partner itself. So multiple international brands. Let's just say, but brands here. Okay, including Bad Boy. Yeah, so this is a legitimate example that I'm using, just so you could get reference. So a limited way to do this, but it's actually a good way to explain on a video. Okay, so Bad Boy, Sweet Loco, and many more other. Okay, now of course the location. And keep in mind that this is already on the pretense that your partner has already agreed to do this with you, to act as a third party on this. And there's a bunch of questions here that are about your partnership, like why you're working with this partner, like some philosophical answer. You don't need to be correct. It's not a question and answer. It's just, let's be truthful here. Okay, why are you working with your partner? Let's put a little bit of reason here. My partner is one of who I trust that ensures quality over. You should go ahead and tell them about your partner. That's it. So it's not really a big deal. It's not data here. So what is your role? The design process. So are you the supplier? What's your role here? Okay, are you the CEO of this so-called company that you guys seem to have? Okay, so yeah, a bunch of reasons here. You could answer it manually or just choose one of the drop boxes here. on the side. A bunch of answer. Okay. I collaborate with my production partner to design my products. Okay. Now what's this partner's role in the production? The first time it's your role, but right now it's yours. It's your partner rather's. And now save and continue once you're done. So that's basically how you create a listing. The other option that I just told you about, adding a partner, is basically just a catch with this video. Just wait for it to load a little bit here. So the goal now is to connect the Etsy account to your whatever e-commerce platform you have. I happen to have TikTok, so I'm going to show you how to actually pull this off, because a lot of people have been using it. So underneath here, go to App and Services, App Store. Now you can see on these boxes here, you could also search it here, the Etsy itself, if you don't see it in these boxes. So let's try to search it here. If it doesn't actually go out, okay, when you search it, so these are products, these are platforms that are connected to Etsy, somewhat related to Etsy. So just click one of them, and once you click one of them, you're going to be installing. See, there's Etsy here on the side, popular platform, because a lot of people do love to use this. Now click install now. Once you click install now, these are Etsy affiliated accounts, by the way. So the name of your shop, they're going to be asking for your email and your phone number. Well, the phone number is optional, but yeah, that's how it basically works. So click here to install, and that's it. It's basically drop shipping, basic drop shipping 101. So customer, your store, the supplier goes in the round and a chain of the e-commerce community. Okay, so I hope that clears out a lot of conception, because a lot of people have been using this method for a while now. And yeah, that's just it. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day.